Welcome to the Salon AI Chatbot Preview. This intelligent assistant is designed to simplify how clients explore beauty services and book appointments, making their grooming journey personalized, guided, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message followed by a set of industry standard service options. These options can be fully customized to match the specific needs and offerings of any salon or beauty studio. When a user asks to explore salon services, the chatbot instantly displays a complete list of available treatments such as hair services, skincare, makeup, and grooming packages, allowing clients to easily browse through the options. Once a user selects a particular service, the chatbot provides brief information about the selected treatment and then guides the client through the booking process. To schedule the appointment, the bot collects essential details such as customer's name, service category, preferred date, time slot, and contact number. After gathering all the necessary information, the chatbot generates a clear summary of the request for confirmation. Once confirmed, the bot instantly shares a final confirmation message, ensuring the appointment is successfully recorded. With a smooth conversational flow and quick responses, the Salon AI chatbot creates a modern and convenient experience, helping clients discover services, book appointments, and manage their grooming needs through a simple and intelligent conversation. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This section contains multiple subflows where each flow is designed to perform a specific action. From here, we can access various nodes and work closely with the AI agent. The AI agent operates based on its defined role and skills. It manages the flow efficiently and delivers relevant and accurate results. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of Salon AI Chatbot Template Installation Process and Flow Builder Overview.